Hey friends! Welcome back to Promptify. I am your host, KRNK. Imagine turning your business into a seven-figure success story without spending years figuring it out. The secret? AI-powered chatbot prompts. Today, I'm revealing the exact prompts top entrepreneurs use to scale their businesses. Fast. But here's the key. It's not just about knowing these prompts. It's about practicing them. If you've watched my earlier videos, you already have a foundation of powerful AI strategies. Now, it's time to take things further with real-life applications. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to apply these prompts and start seeing results immediately. Let's dive in. 1. Optimized 80-20. Business growth prompt. Analyze my business in insert industry niche using the Pareto principle 80-20 rule to identify the 20% of actions that drive 80% of my revenue. Provide a detailed breakdown of my highest impact activities and a step-by-step plan to optimize, automate, and scale these revenue drivers for maximum profitability and efficiency. Suggest AI-powered tools and strategies to double down on these high-impact areas while eliminating low-value tasks. 2. Optimized high-ticket offer. Prompt: I want to create a high-ticket offer in my industry business niche that attracts premium clients willing to pay top dollar. Provide a detailed framework covering offer structuring, pricing strategy, positioning for exclusivity, and sales techniques. Include marketing strategies, psychological triggers, and AI-powered tools to streamline the sales process and maximize conversions. 3. Sales machine that works 24/7. Optimized. Prompt: I want to build a fully automated sales funnel for my business in industry niche that consistently converts leads into paying customers. Outline a step-by-step funnel strategy, including lead generation, nurturing sequences, and conversion optimization techniques. Provide AI-powered tools and automation strategies to maximize efficiency and increase sales on autopilot. 4. Optimized seven-figure ad scaling prompt. I want to scale my business industry niche to 7 figures using Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads. Provide a detailed ad strategy, including audience targeting, ideal customer profiles, interest-based and lookalike targeting, ad creatives, high-converting formats, messaging, and visual elements for each platform, budget allocation, optimal spend distribution across platforms for maximum ROI, scaling techniques, step-by-step methods to scale winning ads while maintaining profitability. Include AI-powered tools for ad optimization, automation, and conversion tracking to maximize performance. 5. Optimized viral content strategy. Prompt: help me create a viral content strategy to grow my brand in industry niche and attract a massive audience. Provide a detailed framework covering social media content, high-performing formats, platform-specific trends, and AI-powered content ideas. Storytelling techniques, emotional triggers, brand positioning, and psychological hooks to enhance shareability. Engagement strategies, community-building tactics, interactive content, and viral challenges to boost visibility. Growth and monetization. Strategies to convert viral traffic into loyal followers and paying customers. Include AI-driven tools for content creation, trend analysis, and performance tracking to maximize reach and engagement. 6. Optimize seven-figure business scaling prompt. Provide a step-by-step roadmap to scale my insert your business from insert current revenue to 7 figures. Cover key areas including 1 marketing strategy, paid ads, content marketing, organic growth, and viral tactics. 2 sales system, high-ticket offers, funnels, and conversion optimization techniques. 3 brand positioning, authority building, differentiation, and social proof strategies. 4. Automation and AI. Tools to streamline operations, lead nurturing, and workflow efficiency. 5. Team building. When and how to hire, delegate, and create a scalable business structure. 6. Customer retention. Loyalty programs, upselling, and community engagement for sustainable growth. Include proven scaling techniques, case studies, and AI-powered tools to maximize efficiency and profitability. These 6 prompts work better because they focus on high-impact, result-driven strategies tailored for business growth, automation, and scalability. They leverage AI, data-driven decision-making, and proven frameworks to optimize key areas like marketing, sales, branding, content creation, and team building. Each prompt ensures practical, actionable steps that drive measurable results, making them highly effective for entrepreneurs and content creators looking to scale to 7 figures, maximize engagement, and build sustainable success. And there you have it. The most powerful chatbot prompts that can take your business to 7 figures. But remember, knowing the prompts isn't enough. Implementation is key. The real magic happens when you use these prompts daily to automate tasks, generate leads, and optimize your business strategy. If you've tried the prompts from my earlier videos, you know how powerful AI can be. Now, I challenge you to put today's prompts into action and track your progress. Comment below which prompt you'll start with, and I'll personally guide you on the best way to implement it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video will take your AI-powered success to the next level. See you soon.